So it is hair mask time and we're going to be using this one. It's by the brand Mon Platin and it's black caviar hair mask. It has silk protein in here and black caviar. Let's try it out. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a hair video and we're going to be doing a hair mask. But first things first, I just want to apologise for this. I am looking rough because I feel rough. So we're in need of some self-care and that's what this video is all about. But the hair mask in question that we are going to be doing is this. So it's by the brand Mon Platin Professional, I hope I've said that correctly, and it's a black caviar hair mask. So it just says on here, natural silk therapy. It contains black caviar and silk protein, so definitely sounds interesting. So just to be totally clear and transparent, I've been gifted this item in exchange to do a little review on my channel. But yeah, I did not pay for this item, it was free. So I've just been looking on their website and it has no information on there how to use it, and there's no information on the back on how to use it either. So I've just spoke to somebody from the brand and they have said that basically you wash your hair, shampoo your hair I should say, rinse it out, towel dry it, and then pop this in, leave it for 10 minutes and rinse that out, which is what we're going to do. But mine is going to be with a little difference. I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. With all of my hair masks, that's what I do. I leave them on for 30 minutes so I can judge them fairly. Yeah, you get 50 mils in here, and I've just been checking their website. Let me just bring that back up, and it says here that this mask is £5.87, so that is super affordable. As I say, you get 50 mils in here, so depending on how thick or fine your hair is, how long or short it is, you should be able to get around about 2 masks out of it. If you've got long, extremely thick hair, that's probably going to be one usage for you. But for £5.87, I think that's still a bargain. And if you are interested, I have a link for this. I will pop the link in the information box and the comment box. The brand have also given me a discount code for you as well. I'll pop that next to the link and you'll get 30% off anything on the website. So this is £5.87, take 30% off. What's already cheap is going to be mega cheap. Awesome. So first things first, I've just been looking on the back at the ingredients. It's a little bit of a disappointment. This is a black caviar and silk mask. Let's have a look. Where is it? As far as I can see, the silk ingredient is halfway down the ingredient list. And the caviar extract is on the second last line from the bottom. So for me, a caviar and silk mask, you think those kind of ingredients would be up top, but it's not. So we'll see how we go there. To be honest, the fragrance of this is higher up than them two ingredients. But I actually don't mind, as long as the mask is nice on my hair. So let's take down the hair and see what we've got to play with. This is a sight, guys, it's a sight. There we go. I told you it was a sight. Yeah. There's nothing I can really say about it. My ends are really dry and crispy. I have got damaged hair because of the bleach and it's a bit wild today. So yeah, I need to do something to it. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. I am gonna shampoo my hair. I will be back when I've towel dried it. So my hair's been washed, it's been towel dried, so it's time to pop the mask in. I just want to have a little smell to see what we're dealing with here. Guys, that smells so nice. That's gorgeous. It's like I can smell a hint of vanilla. I can't describe the other scent that I'm picking up. It smells like skincare, like really nice expensive skincare. So that is how thick it is. It feels like a body butter. It feels whipped. I like the consistency of it. Yeah, let's whack this through my hair. Right guys, so there we go. It is all done and put through. I've concentrated mainly on the mid lengths and the ends, but I have put some on the roots as well, because we have to think about with scalp as well. That is where the hair grows from, and we want to make sure that that is nice and looked after as well. So I am just gonna plait my hair, leave it for 30 minutes, and we'll be back to see what the consistency of this is like. And then, yeah, we'll go and rinse it out. Right, so it has been 30 minutes. So I'm just going to take my hair out the plait. My hair feels exactly the same as when I originally put it in, if not a bit smoother actually. Ooh, I like the way that feels already. So yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the shower and rinse this out, and I will be back before you know it. Right, so I am back. It's time to dry my hair. So I have this is the Revlon One Step Dryer. I apologize, it is full of my hair. So yeah, we're going to be using this, and then I have this heat spray to use. So this is by Tresemme, and it's just heat defense for all hair types, care and protection spray. Had loads of these in the past, and I'll have loads more in the future. It's really nice to use. So yeah, I'll speed this bit up for you, but let's get this dried. Right guys, so this is the finished look, and I must say, very nice indeed. Very happy. So my ends feel amazing. They are so soft. I think my hair looks really healthy. What do you guys think? It's actually given me a little bit of volume as well. I mean, obviously I know I've used my Revlon, can't even say it, Revlon One Step Styler, and that gives volume, but I have used that before with a previous hair product and my hair was flat as a pancake. So it also depends on the product that you use in your hair as well. But yeah, I am really liking this. So let's see how shiny it is. I mean, I can already see how shiny it is, but yeah, there's a beautiful shine on there too. Guys, it's so good. My hair feels weightless. It doesn't feel like there's any product in there at all. I know with some masks it can be quite heavy and weigh your hair down. This is light as a feather. But yeah, I can very much so recommend this product. Massive thumbs up from me. So again, if you want to treat yourself to this, it's £5 odd, guys. It's under £6. And where is it? Here it is. I thought I lost it there. So I've used about a third of that, maybe a little bit more. So I've definitely got enough for another one. I may have enough for a small third one, but I didn't pile the product in my hair at all. It didn't need a lot of product in there. You could tell when you were just putting it in, my hair was nicely coated without being overly saturated. But yeah. It will be linked down below with my code. Get 30% off. Guys, use it. It's under £6. Treat yourself. See what you think for yourself. You're not going to miss out if it doesn't agree with your hair. Everybody's hair is different, so please bear that in mind. But yeah, I love it. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.